still got this. Take us down. We are one. We are many. The blessed will come.
Shit! Grenade!
Get my ass behind something!
Spread out!
See if he likes it.
Damn it, he's still dead!
Fucking dropping us!
Shit, gotta reload!
Blast that cocksucker!
Bad! Down and he's still dead!
Grabbing cover!
Time!
Down!
Gotta change mags! Get down low!
Oh, shit! He's picking us off!
Gotta change mags! Getting down low!
You got the well-born on your ass now, boy!
Oh, it's another one! What are you waiting for? Smoke him! Yeah! There you are! Give me some blood!
Yeah, little piggy.
Stay in low!
Ah, little piggy.
Give me some blood! There! Smoke him! Yeah! Moving behind something!
Come get me, Mr. Clay.
Big mistake, big fella.
You can't stop the ensemblante. The prophecy will be fulfilled.
Big mistake, big fella.
Can't wait for you. Have no power over us. You will rot for this. You sully this place. Come get me, Mr. Clay. Die! You done nothing here. The ensemblante will survive long past either of us.
Anna's dead. Slashed her own throat after she realized what you'd done to her.
She was chosen.
She was forced. By you.
This city will burn, Mr. Clay.
It was Lankin's idea to lay Anna to rest with his family. Grief. It can overwhelm you if you let it. It can suffocate you. Reduce you down to nothing. So the key is to, just look for the light inside those around us, to grab hold of it. Even the slightest flicker can give us hope, a bit of peace. I think in Anna, Lincoln found that slight flicker. Problem was, he didn't understand the impact she had on him until she was gone. Now, Anna's death was certainly tragic, but I know in death she found that peace that escaped her in life. Lincoln, on the other hand, I think what happened with Anna only reaffirmed what he already believed. Sometimes living can be worse than dying. Lincoln knew that better than anyone. Before I go, got another call from your Aunt Lily. Says she's coming back in on a bus. She'd appreciate her nephew picking her up.
Be good to see you again. Thanks for letting me know, Father.
Ah, I left my windows down.
How about sending some new wheels to Del Rey Hollow?
Aye. I'll get around to you right away.
Oh my god, oh my god!
Here's your car, boss.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, God.
You good, Aunt Lil?
Better. Seeing you again. But I'm about ready to get off my feet. Where's your car? Take me to Sammy's.
You sure?
I'm sure. Father James told me about your friend, Anne.
Anna. She, passed away. Where'd you end up going?
Patch of land where Sammy and me grew up.
Y'all lived on the farm. Sharecropper, right?
Till our daddy got hurt, couldn't work no more. Sammy bought the land a few years back. Lincoln, never underestimate the value of a black man owning what speaks. I wanted to come see you after.
No, you did right. It makes sense. Folks thinking I didn't make it out.
Sal Marcano. Let's see the damage then. Didn't leave much to work with. But the structure's more or less intact. Gonna have to gut the interior.
You want to reopen Sammy's?
I want you to do it. I'll just help you get the place back into shape. Maybe some improvements here and there, too.
What do I know about running a bar, Aunt Lil?
It's important enough for you to figure it out. People in the holler need to see black folks owning their own, just like Sammy did. Look, if you want, just get me the cash I need to start repairs. It's in rough shape, but I've handled worse. Just let me know when you want to kick off the renovations around here. Let's get started.
Damn. This is wild. How did you...
Spent a lot of years helping Sammy make this place what it was. Just came natural putting it back together.
Might be good to fix up the back. Get a pool table in there, like Sammy always wanted. We could do a lot here.
Got plenty of options for what to do next. Money's the only limit. Gonna be some big changes around here. So, what's next, honey? You really putting your mark on this place, Lincoln? Place is looking good enough to charge a cover. Sammy looks real good up there, baby.
Damn, man, Lil, you starting to make Sammy's look like something.
Boy, this is all you. You putting your mark on...
Any of you coons hold up in there better come out right now! Y'all hear me? We aim to burn this shithole to the ground!
Dixie, mother... Aunt Lil, I need you to get these people downstairs. I'll slip out through the garage and deal with this.
Move your ass! Shoot! He's here!
Carve me some dark meat. Motherfucker, go check that shit. Oh, yeah.
Hit.
I see one more Dixie piece of shit coming after Sammy's, and it's yo ass.
Yeah, yeah! Whatever you say, big man!
Goddamn right. Night-night, motherfucker. Dixie boys shouldn't be a problem anymore.
Honey, as long as you're black, angry white boys will always be a problem.
You ain't wrong.
Let me know what you want to work on next. Guess that now we got a juke. I should give one of them rock records a try. Maybe we can do a fish fry now and then. Smart. Give folks some good food with their liquor, and they'll stay all night.
I'm sure hard to hell now, yes, around.
Welcome back. Let's see what else we can do.
Action speaks louder than words.
glad to have the upstairs livable again.
Man, but I can love you better than him. Take my hand, don't be afraid. I wanna prove every word I say. I'm advertising love for free, so won't you place your ad with me? Boys will come a dime by the dozen, but that ain't nothing but 10-cent love.
You might be too young to remember when Sammy had that mural put up. He was so proud. Fell at the bar's Reggie, our new bartender. Well, he's supposed to be, but he needs some help dealing with a car he lost in a race. Reggie's all right. Just gets mixed up in mess sometimes.
Reggie, it's Sammy's boy, right? Nice to see the place up and running again.
Thanks. Now, what's this I hear about you losing your car?
Got my dumb ass in a pink slip race. White boy named Shorty won her down in the bayou.
Okay. If I get your ride back from Shorty, you come work for me?
If you win. But Mr. Clay, Shorty will be driving my car. She moves like a goddamn rocket, but that means you can overtake her around the corner. Get yourself something fast that can handle turns.
I'll do that, man. Hold tight, Reggie.
Get my car back, and sure, I'll work for you.
Well, look at you.
How about sending some new wheels to Delray Hollow?
On a lot. Just getting her warmed up.
Look out!
Hey!
Got a car here for you.
Appreciate it.
All units, police vehicle struck by suspect vehicle. Engage pursuit. Responding unit. Visual contact with suspect lost.
Nice wheels, man. She just for show?
Fuck, son, I'll race you for pinks right now.
All units, pursuit is called off. Abandon search and return to patrol. Repeat, pursuit is called off. Abandon search and return to patrol.
Holy shit, man. You showed Shorty.
See you at the bar?
No doubt. Talk to Miss Lily when you're ready to bring me on.
Still a lot we can do around here. Nice to have an office up there. Place to get some work done. Office looks good. Fine place to put my feet up. You know, it was the time I would have whooped your butt at pool. Got that room looking like something out of Frisco Fields. Folks gonna like it. That meal's gonna let folks remember, Sammy, all you did.
I know that look.
You know little Ernie. We've been talking about his band playing here, but nobody's seen him for 2 days. Word is he likes to smoke a little grass out in the bayou with some white boys. From what I hear, one of them is the Dixie boy you scared off.
Shit. Probably lay hands on little Ernie. Dixie's always trying to send a message. I'll head down to their spot, see if I can catch sight of little Ernie.
I'm worried about little Ernie. Go see to him, would you?
Whatever that was, it's gotta be close. Sounds coming from one of them goddamn voodoo dolls. Creepy ass shit. That's the sound of hell right there, boy. Stay clear of it.
Some kind of evil's getting stirred up.
Can we just ignore that?
Ducking.
Someone else kill him?
Motherfucker, go check that shit.
Huh? He ain't breathing. Some bitch can't hide forever. Boy's gonna be running all his life.
Motherfucker, go check that shit. He's out here. Move on. Huh?
You're here somewhere, I know it. Get over here! We got a body! He's still here.
Oh, we lost one, fellas. Maybe he's over here?
Shit! Oh! Oh!
You should have listened when I told you not to fuck with me. You know too fucking much.
Let me loose before them Dixie assholes come back. Shit, you Sammy's boy.
Hey, Lil Ernie. You all right?
Nothing a shot of whiskey won't fix. Tell you what, those Dixie boys had it out for your ass.
Yeah, I got that impression.
But I told myself, Lil Ernie, Sammy Robinson's boy won't let you down.
Guess not. You gonna be all right getting home?
Yeah. And hit me and the boys up whenever you want us to play at Sammy's.
It saves me time and trouble, car fare, and babysitting fees.
It's fun to shop in the comfort of your own home.
And easy to make the perfect selection for your living room in your living room.
Prices start at $44 for a chair and $88 for a sofa. Plus, Holton's gives you months to pay. Call Holton's today and find out how easy it is to shop for upholstery the easy way.
Holton's department store has more of what you're looking for. Holton's department store.
How good is that first cigarette of the day?
All units, police vehicle struck by suspect vehicle. Engage pursuit.
Starting the day with a hot cup of joe and a Big Break Red. Big Break tobacco tastes better because it's toasted, richer, fresher, smoother. Helps wake a man up so he can get to work. Whether it's climbing down a mine shaft or up high on a gutter 300 feet off the ground, men like that like knowing there's a big break waiting for them anytime they need one. Plus, they come in that convenient flip-top box that's as rugged and crush-proof as the men who smoke them. A man-sized break for a man-sized job.
I am here talking to the world's foremost expert on beer.
All units, negative visual on suspect. Repeat, visual contact lost.
Just call me Bob. Bob, I understand your tongue has been insured for $1 million.
2 million. Let me pull it out for you. You want to hold it?
Wow, impressive.
Yes, because I just need one tip, and I can tell if the beer is delicious or disgusting.
Well, I have 3 beers here, and I want to see which one you think is better. One of them is St. Luca's Pale Ale.
Oh, okay, that's a loser. I hope that's not...
St. Luca's Pale Ale? No.
Good, because that's putrid.
How about this one?
Oh, now that one. Oh, that one's even more repulsive.
One more. What do you think?
All units, pursuit is called off. Abandon search and return to patrol. Repeat, pursuit is called off. Abandon search and return to patrol.
Be alive when they
got me about running out of ideas. Listen to Lil Ernie go! Well, at least you ain't sleeping rough down there anymore. We better be careful. Folks might start thinking we know what we doing around here. Good choice. You got some style, boy. I like it.
Good to see you, Oscar.
Well, the state you left La Nuit Blanche, I was in need of new employment. Honestly, thanks for giving this broke-down vet a chance.
Shit. We don't look out for each other. Who will?
We about to reach the end of what we can do to this place. Hey, see you got Oscar dressing all respectable like. Hey, so, it occurs to me we need to show off all our work. I know we're open, but I mean really opening the doors wide for the Hollow. Let them see it as your place.
I agree. Look, I'm proud of what we did here. So, let's have a big opening night.
All right. Why don't you go get dressed and come and talk to me when you want to get the party started.
Most of y'all know me. If you don't, I'm Lincoln Clay, and, I pay the bills around here. The real person you want to thank for all this is Lily Robinson. And Lily, come on up.
My brother, Sammy was a complicated man. He sure wasn't perfect, but he did something rare. Sammy carved out a piece of this city for himself. There was a piece of New Bordeaux where a black man was in charge. We're reopening Sammy's to keep black-owned businesses in the Hollow, hiring folks from the Hollow, serving folks in the Hollow. This city can turn on us or just forget about us, but we aim to have our piece of it, for now and for the future. Thank you.
What's left to say? I don't make a lot of speeches, and I bet y'all want to get back to drinking. Sammy would be glad to have you all here tonight. So let's raise a glass to him and to those we lost. For Sammy!
For Sammy!